90 hip external rotation, front knee hover. So what we're going to do is go ahead and sit up nice and tall in hip 90-90. And we're going to make sure that our front tibia and fibula are parallel with our back femur, and our front femur is parallel with our back fibula and tibula. Front foot is on the same line as the back shin and foot. Face forward, knees straight out in front of the belly button, chins in line with the sternum and belly button. Lean forward, arch your lower back. Just feel that in the outside upper glute here and that front side. Breathe and hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From here, we're going to lift our hands off the ground and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly bring our hands down. And try that again. Challenge yourself by leaning forward. If it's too much, you can always lean all the way up and just try to stand up tall like that. All right. So find your outer range, end range. And then from here, tee out the arms, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly bring it down. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to hinge, and then we're going to push away from the ground with the outside of the leg. We're going to pull ourselves in with this inside stuff here, and then push ourselves away from the ground. We're going to try to do it with our hands teed out. If that's not possible, you can always just use your hands like kickstands. Okay, we're going to try it 2 times. Here we go. Inhale, tee out the arms. Pull yourself in and push away. One more time. Inhale, radiate. Pull yourself in and push away. Okay. From here, we're going to transition to the other side. So we're going to tee out the arms. We're going to rotate the upper body and the lower body here. And we're going to open up the back hip. You're going to turn that foot out as you open up the hip. And then keep that knee down as long as you can until it has to come up off the ground. Back into that bear position. And then slowly transition into 90-90 on the other side. You're going to face forward here. Again, belly button is in line with the knee. Chin. Hold here, breathe. Make sure this is set up at 90-90. Hips also make a 90-degree angle. Dorsiflex the ankles, lean forward here, arch the lower back. Chest is high. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From here, what we're going to do is go into that T position and then slowly helicopter down. From here, what we're going to do is lift off and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly bring those hands down. You're going to go ahead and lean forward. Same thing. Inhale, radiate. Lift off and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and push away. We're going to do that lean forward, push away, hinge one more time. 2 reps, pulling yourself in with the leg and then pushing yourself away. All right, here we go. Inhale, radiate, tee out the arms, pull yourself in, and push yourself away. One more. Inhale, radiate. Pull in. And push away. And from here, we're going to go into hip internal rotation, back leg. We're going to rotate toward that back leg. You can bring the hands behind the body for option 1. Option 2, you can bring the hand in between the calf and thigh, and the other hand on the back side of that thigh. Hold here. And option 3, wrap that hand on top of the thigh and reach for that foot. So wherever you are, hold and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. For this pals contraction, we're going to press, try to fold this leg into the ground using the inside tissues here and contracting the whole body for stability. We're going to start pressing into the ground, 10% effort, and then after our 100% effort, we're going to try to pull that foot off the ground in our rouse contraction. From here, go ahead and begin 5% effort, pressing this whole backside leg into the ground, 7%, 10%, 13%, 16%, all the way to 20% intensity, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50 to your max and greatest effort, and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rouse. Try to pull that back foot off the ground. Go deeper into internal hip rotation. You're going to feel it here. You can cheat by leaning forward, or you can make it harder by trying to lean back. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly bring that back foot down. Back to that passive stretch. Breathe. And let's go ahead and switch. Easy transition over to the other side. Breathe and hold here. Option 1, hands behind the body. Option 2, frame the thigh. Option 3, reach for that back foot. Hold and breathe here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again, you always have this option here and here. Breathe. Let's go ahead and start pressing that back leg into the ground. Even if you're doing it right here, 5% effort, 10% effort, 15% effort, 20% effort, 25% effort, 30%, 35, 40, 45, all the way to 50% effort. Build that up to your safest and greatest effort and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, rouse. Try to pull that back foot off the ground. Hold. Go deeper in internal rotation. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly bring it down. Back to that passive stretch. Breathe. And let's let's make our way to